iPhone 15 Plus houses the biggest battery on any iPhone, but iPhone 15 Pro Max could still be the best performing with Apple's 3nm A17 Bionic onboard. Apple will launch the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro models with a boatload of new changes that will offer advanced capacities. According to the latest leak, the entire iPhone 15 lineup will come with larger battery capacities. The iPhone 15 Plus and the iPhone 15 Pro will see a major boost when it comes to battery capacity compared to the current models. We have previously reported that the iPhone 15 models will be comparatively thicker than the iPhone 14 lineup. This could potentially be the reason for the bigger battery capacities on the devices. According to IT Home, a Foxconn worker claims that the iPhone 15 lineup will feature larger batteries. The iPhone 15 Pro will feature the smallest battery in the lineup. While the battery capacity seems to be less, Apple could offer enhanced optimizations for maximum output. In comparison to the current models, the iPhone 15 will house an 18% bigger battery, and the iPhone 15 Plus and iPhone 15 Pro will feature a 14% bigger battery. Lastly, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is calculated to come with a 12% bigger cell. You can observe that the iPhone 15 Plus will be the device with the biggest battery capacity of all iPhone models launching this year. The iPhone 15 Pro, on the other hand, will feature the smallest battery capacity out of the bunch despite an increase in capacity. However, the battery performance might vary from iPhone to iPhone due to internal changes. The iPhone 15 Pro will come with a 3nm A17 Bionic chip, and the standard iPhone 15 model will potentially come with a version of the A16 Bionic chip based on a 5nm process. This means that the A17 Bionic chip is capable of delivering enhanced performance while consuming less power. However, the A16 Bionic is a very capable chip as well, and the difference might not be huge. The iPhone 15 Pro also features a 120Hz display with a variable refresh rate that consumes less power than the standard models. There are additional factors that contribute to battery life as well, such as software optimizations. Apple will announce the iPhone 15 lineup in September with a plethora of major additions. Also, Apple is changing the charging port with iPhone 15 series, and it won't be like the last time. Whether Apple like it or not, they have to put USB-C into their devices. All other devices, including Mac, has been shifted to USB-C quite early, but not iPhones. But this is changing this year as reports are confirming the iPhone 15 series with USB-C support. Anyhow, guys, the next iPhone is a big upgrade in battery, and it will surpass every Android device in that, which is amazing. So what do you guys think? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Peace out.